What's up guys, Michael here, coming to you with another video. This time I'm gonna be mentioning the touch controls on your Sony headphones WH-1000XM3. So as you're aware, these headphones would have a touch controller on your right ear cup, and this would be actually the whole area, whole surface on the right side. So what's important, there's a couple of things worth mentioning, and again this is covered in the instruction or user guide of Sony's, but I thought I'd give it a quick video. So basically if you slide it to the right, so this whole surface is basically like it has the touch function, where when you slide it to the right, or if you're wearing it, it would be kind of sliding it forward. That would skip the song to the next one. Sliding it backwards, it's actually the previous song or beginning of the current song. Sliding it upwards would change the volume up, and then sliding it down is volume down. Also, if you tap it, it's gonna pause the song, or maybe pause the wherever you're playing at the moment. Also, you can double tap it and to maybe hang up or quit the call. Also, there's another feature where you can actually enable the ambient sounds. This would require to cover the whole surface of that area with your palm, with your hand. But what's important is that you don't kind of cover just the ear cup, but rather you kind of cover it with your hand, so the surface is covered. That's very important, because otherwise the ambient will not work. So you will feel like, oh, why is this not working? But you just have to cover it with your palm, just like that. So that's gonna enable the ambient sound, and the idea is that if you have the noise cancelling on and you're in maybe busy environment and you just want to hear something, like maybe on a train, just to hear the train station or anything like that, you can very quickly just cover it, and then it's gonna allow the ambient sound to pass the noise cancelling. So that may be quite handy. Now people may be looking weird at you, but that's another point. So that's it for the touch controls on your Sony WH-1000XM3, guys. You let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you like that, and please subscribe to support this channel. I hope you have a good one. Take care.